Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did this look right here. I only showed you the eye look. I wanted to film the face as well. I just got carried away and forgot to actually film and I just kept doing my makeup. Since I have a few steps out, I think there's no point in me showing you how I did like half the face. But anyways, today's video is going to be just a tiny bit different. I'm going to do a voiceover instead of actually talking throughout the video. I'm going to see how that goes and I don't know, I'm experimenting. Hope you like it. Before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and if you like today's look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's it for me. Enjoy the tutorial. I started the look by priming my eyelids. I used a little bit of concealer and blended that with a flat concealer brush. I used some eyeshadow shields for today's look. I made sure to stick them to my hand first because they are really sticky. I measured the space between my eyebrow and my eyeshadow shield to make sure that both eyes are symmetrical. I took out my Revolution gel liner and applied it to my eye in a wing liner shape. I took the excess off from my brush and really smudged the liner. We want it to be very smoky. From my Colourpop Sorbet palette, I took the darkest shade of the palette and set the liner into place. I also applied the shadow a little bit above the liner, again for that smoky eye look. I took the light matte shade from the palette and used it to blend my outer corner and also apply it in my crease as a transition shade. I used back and forth and circular motions. We want it to be very well blended. I applied the light pink shimmer from the palette on my lid with a flat brush, and I blended the edges with my previous brush. The upper lid is done. I removed my eyeshadow shield. You can see it even now, it's really sticky even after applying it on my hand first. Magically my face is done and I have lashes on, and now it's time to do the lower lash line. I started by applying the gel liner on my waterline and also in between my lower lashes. And I took my smudge brush, the one that I use on the upper lid as well, to obviously smudge my lower lash line. After that, I took the dark matte shade of the palette to blend the lower lash line a little bit. The light shimmer shade of the palette is going to go on my inner corner as highlighter and also underneath the arch of my brow. I used the gel liner to do a tiny inner corner wing, and then I set it with the dark eyeshadow. I paired this look with a nude lip. I lined my lips first with a light nude pencil, and then I used a slightly darker pencil just in the center of my lips. And by the way, this time I didn't go over my cupid's bow. I mean, I did overline as usual. I actually did a cupid's bow this time and I really like how it looks. I think I'm going to keep doing that. I applied my nude liquid lipstick and this is the look all complete. I really hope you like how it came out. I feel like it's perfect for a night out or a date night, wherever you want to wear it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, it helps me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope it was useful for you, and I hope you're having an amazing day, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!